Good morning, students. Today we are going to study how to solve Birgevita method. Okay, so here we are going to apply the synthetic division that we have studied in the last video. So, suppose this is the equation, polynomial equation, x raised to 4 plus x cube plus 5x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. And initial approximation is given as 1 and number of iterations are given as 2. So, let us solve the numerical. See, you have to, as we already have discussed in my last video, you have to adjust the equation in the chronological order with the power of x. So it is 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So equation is already in the chronological order. So it's okay. But if one of the term is absent, for example, this is not there in the equation, then you have to consider the this consider this term as a 0, so you can have 0x here if it is not present. Okay, so in the present equation there is no any problem, all the terms are present, so we can directly take its coefficients. So coefficients are 1 1 5 4 4. So 1 1 5 4 4. Okay, initial approximation is 1, so p0 is 1. Let us solve with the synthetic division that we have studied in last video. So this A0 is as it is. So this is B terms. These are A terms. This is initial approximation. And these are C terms. Okay. So this 1 is as it is here. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 ones are 11. 11 plus 4, 15. So this term corresponds to Bn. Okay, it means see B0, B1, B2, B3, B4. So this is our B4. Now let us solve it again. 1 is as it is. 1 into 1 is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 into 1 is 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 into 1 is 10. 10 plus 11 is 21. This is C0, C1, C2, C3. So Cn is nothing but your C3. Okay. So here we have calculated all B terms, all C terms, right? Now we can find out the next root with the formula P1 equal to P0 minus Bn upon Cn. Okay, Bn upon Cn minus 1. So this is B4 upon C3. Okay. So here n is the order of the equation, which was 4 because highest order is 4. So it is 4. Initial approximation was 1. B4, just now we have calculated, it is 15. And C3 is 21. We have to put all these values in the formula and we have to find out the next root. So P1 equal to P0 minus Bn. So n is 4. So B4 upon Cn minus 1. So it will be C3. So 1 minus 15 upon 21. So it comes to be 0.28571. So this is our next root. So let us solve it for iteration number 2. So here when you calculate another root, this up to this is called as the iteration number 1. Now similarly you have to calculate for iteration number 2 with the initial approximation replaced by next root, which is 0.28571. So let us see it. Here it is 0.28571. These are the coefficients of the equation 1, 1, 5, 4, 4. Polynomial coefficients. This one is as it is. 1 into this is 0.28571. Both are positive, so this is additive. Then this into this will give us 0.36734. It will be plus 5, so it is 5.36734. Then this into P1 will give us 1.53350. Both are additive, so it will be 5.53350. This into P1 will give us 1.58097 plus 4, so it will be 5.58097. So this is our B0, B1, B2, B3, B4. This is your B4 term. Let us calculate C terms. So 1 is as it is, C0. 1 into 0.28571. It is as it is. This plus this will give me 1.57142. This into this. So this is C0, C1 into P1 will give me 0.44897 Both are positive, so this is additive. Answer is this. This into this will give me this 1.66177. Both are positive, so it is additive. So this is C0, C1, C2, C3. So C3 is 7.19527. So we have C3, we have B4, we have P1, so we can calculate P2 at the end of second iteration. Let us calculate that. So P2 will be P1 minus B4 upon C3. P1 is the root which we have found out after the first iteration 0.28571 minus B4 and C3 just now we have got this was B4 and this is C3 5.58 and 7.19. 5.58, 7.19. Okay, I'm considering 5 digits after the decimal point to maintain the accuracy. So if you calculate this on your calc, you will get point minus 0.48993. So I'll round it off, okay, and it becomes minus 0.49. So this is the answer after the second iteration. So this is how you solve the polynomial equation using Birgavita method. Okay, you can make more practice. So some practice numericals are here for you with the answers I'm giving to you so that you can cross check your answers. Okay, if you have any doubt, please comment me. Okay, so please watch, like, share, subscribe. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it so that you will get further notification of further sessions. That's all for today. Thank you for attending. Thanks.